For friends who are just learning to use Microsoft Word, they are definitely still confused when inserting images and want to set the size to a smaller size. Therefore, read this tutorial until the end to find out how. Friends, first enter the image into a Word document. If it already exists, friends, click on the image until a circle appears on the sides and corners of the image. Place the cursor at the corner of the image until it turns into a slanted arrow. Then click on the mouse, hold it, don't release it yet, then slide the mouse downwards to shrink the image. Release the mouse click and the image size has shrunk from its previous size. So, how about it, friends, make it easy. That's how to shrink an image in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial can be useful for all of you.